Hi, I'm Justin Glass, and I'm a director at Bristly Painters Incorporated. As I was renovating my own home in my spare time, I had completed the main floor and had moved downstairs to start my planned out renovation. In preparing the floor, I realized I had stumbled across a foundational issue. Not knowing exactly what the issue was, I turned to Google to figure out who could help me. After a quick Google search, I came across eco-concrete leveling, an alternative to mudjacking. After a consultation with Bud and his son John, it became very clear to me that I couldn't go any further with my basement renovation until I'd fixed my sunken foundation. Bud and John completed their analysis, made a recommendation, and I was eager to get my foundation level so that I could complete my vision for our home renovation. I'm thrilled with the end result. They consulted me along the way and ensured that the goals that we set were definitely met. The team was friendly and the service was outstanding. I highly recommend the team at Eco Concrete Leveling for any job.